May lisensya umano sa Korea, pero wala naman sa Pilipinas. Kaya inaresto ang dayuhang dermatologist na nagkiklinik sa Makati. Nakatutok si Mark Salazar.
Sa mismong clinic sa isang condo building sa Makati, inaresto ng NBI ang isang umano'y Korean dermatologist na nagkiklinik ng walang lisensya.
Do you have a certificate to practice here from the PRC?
What is PRC?
The Professional Regulation Commission is the one regulating the practice of medicine here in the Philippines.
No, I don't have license here, but I have in Korea.
In Korea, but you cannot practice here without the proper license.
Yeah, I can understand.
You understand?
So that's why our owner is my friend, but the doctor is Dr. Ryan. I can, if you allow, we can go.
No.
Hanggang ngayon wala namang lumilitaw na Dr. Ryan para suportahan ang depensa ng Korean derma.
Where is Dr. Ryan? He's not around, so you should not perform any procedure here. You're using Dr. Ryan's name, but you are performing medical procedure without his presence. That is violation of our medical act.
May inabutan pang pasyente sa klinik ang NBI na tila na-injection na ng gamot na may Korean letters.
She is waiting for Dr. Ryan.
Habang nakahiga?
She is just here for consultation and then to get further treatment from Dr. Ryan. They are waiting for Dr. Ryan. But what she's showing us now, she already took some injections. Without the presence of Dr. Ryan. That's against the law.
May mga nakadisplay na permits at certificates para sa operasyon ng derma clinic. Pero ang license to practice ng Korean doctor ang issue.
She is not licensed to practice her profession here in the Philippines.
Ayaw nang magbigay ng pahayag sa media ng Korean derma habang nakahold siya sa NBI headquarters, kasama ang mga nakumpiska sa kanyang mga medical equipment. Sa kasong ito, may paalala ang NBI sa mga mahilig magpaderma sa kung saan-saan lang.
Pagka nakita yung dermatologist o yung practitioner foreigner, ang isip ng mga kababayan natin magaling to, mahusay ito. But then yun, ingat sila, lalo na kung foreigner, kailangan see to it na merong license talaga.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Mark Salazar, nakatutok 24 oras.